I chose to attend WED Talk because honestly, planning a wedding in general, but during a pandemic, is very, very stressful. Me and my fiance considered calling it off multiple times, but we decided that it wouldn't be fair to us, it wouldn't be fair to our family. So we are looking forward to getting some expert level advice on planning our wedding and planning for the unknown. I saw a WED Talk billboard first, and then I heard about it on a local radio station, which prompted me to visit their website. So, me and my fiance looked at it. We decided that it would probably be a good idea and that it would relieve a lot of our stress with regard to planning. I want to talk to someone other than my married friends for advice, and I'm really, really looking forward to the vendors that'll be there and being able to find some for my wedding.